students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is martial arts. So martial art is one of the several arts of combat and self-defense used such as karate and judo that are widely practiced as sport and given below as some of India's amazing martial arts. These are essentially used for self-defense. Name them. So the first is of Punjab. This is an old martial art of the Sikhs and it is also a very basic and practical martial art with simple circular forward and backward movements. More complex movements include star shapes using a range of 18 weapons. So ये mostly किसकी है? सिख की एक type of martial art है जिसमें 18 weapons का use किया जाता है. So that is गतका. Okay. GATKA. Second is of Tamil Nadu. This is a traditional martial art of Tamil Nadu. Those who practice this art use a bamboo and the art involves beautifully flowing techniques and perfect control. So this is called Silambam. Okay, इसमें क्या use किया जाता है? एक bamboo stick use की जाती है. Silambam. This is second one. And next is of Kerala. This is Kerala is famous for its ancient martial art and some forms do not use weapons at all. कुछ form में weapon का use नहीं किया जाता जिसमें सिर्फ leap और twist की जाती हैं with sharp reflexes and masters of this martial art also use mask and spear, dagger, sword and shield. This martial art form was taken from India to China and then to Japan by Buddhist monks. So this is called Kalaripayatam. So this is number 3, Kalaripayatam. Next is fourth, that is of Manipur. It is one of the Manipur's most ancient martial art that require more of skill than before. A stick encased in soft leather and shield made of leather are used in this art. तो कहाँ की art है ये? मणिपुर की. And this is Chebi Gadga. Okay, so this is number 4. Number 5, that is of Himachal Pradesh. The equipment needed for this game are bows and arrows and the archers are divided into many parties. One team is called Sathi and the other one is Pashi. So this is called Thoda. So this is number 5. Okay. And the fact bank, this you have to know, that is Parikhanda style of sword and shield fighting from Bihar was created by the Rajputs and Parikhanda steps and techniques are also used in Cho dance. So बच्चे, this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the exercise yourself.